guys, it's Holly from Baby Gizmo and welcome back to our channel. So we did a review of the Perego Prima Pappa Zero 3 high chair, and we had a couple comments about people not being able to get it into the standing fold. It kept tipping over. So I just wanted to do a quick video showing you the best way that I have found to get it to stay standing, because a lot of times it does tip over if you don't do it right. The wheel direction has nothing to do with it because the wheels kind of have a mind of their own. They're going to do what they do, even if you lock them. But here is what I have found. So if the chair is all the way down and then you go ahead and put the legs together, sometimes it'll stand and most of the time it will fall over. You can try to separate the legs a little bit, but then it's not going to be locked, but you'd get the standing fold, but then it might open. See the problems? Now, here's how I found to make sure it stays. Oh, look, see, I locked it and it stays, but it's not reliable. Here is one way to keep it reliably folded, and that is to take the tray off and put the tray on the back where it belongs when it is stored away. And that goes ahead and it balances the height chair so that it doesn't tip forward like that, and it becomes pretty sturdy. Now, of course, if a animal jumps, hits it, or a kid knocks it over, it's gonna fall over, right? But by taking the tray off the front, which makes it keep falling over, and you hanging it on the back legs like that, you can get the most compact, sturdy fold. Like I said, lower the seat all the way, put the tray on the back, and then you can lock the legs and fold it, and it stays folded. And even if you bump it a little, it's not gonna tip over. So that is the way I found to get the most reliable fold without falling over of the Perego Prima Pappa Zero 3. If you have any other questions of any of our other reviews, feel free to leave a comment and we'll see if we can update those reviews as well. So thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.